Hey everybody, it's me Joe, and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 simple hacks that can make learning English a lot easier. All right? So these are 5 things that you can change in your brain that can make learning English quicker and easier and more pleasant for you. All right? I get a lot of students ask me how to improve their English, different things, different techniques, but these 5 things will help you overall with any technique or any kind of English vocabulary or grammar you're trying to get better at. All right? Also, if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi there. My name is Joe. I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. And I think it'd be a fantastic idea if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below. That way I can start helping you get better at English. Okay, so please enjoy the video. During the video, you're going to see 2 secret codes. When you see them, that means that you've made it halfway, and then to the end of the whole video, that means you are a really great student. Send me those code words and let me know, because I want to know who's a great student and who's an average student. And if you're great, I want to know about it. All right? So now, let's get to those 5 hacks. Okay, so the first mental hack that I want you to think about is the change of thinking about your English, your goal. Right? What is your goal in English? I don't want you to think about, I want to be perfect in English. That's wrong. Perfection is unattainable, right? Even native speakers make mistakes, all right? Okay? I have so many students in my classes, when they get a test back and they got a 95 or a 96 or even a 99, they are depressed because they only think about that 1 or 2 little mistakes that they made. 95 is an A+. Come on, you're among the best in the world when you get a 95. But they're still depressed. And that bad attitude can hurt your English. It can hurt your ability to keep trying. Sometimes you get so depressed you want to quit. But if you change your goal from perfection to excellent, it's a little change, but it's important. Because if you're trying to be excellent, that means your vocabulary is great. Your ability to use grammar is wonderful. You are absolutely fluent. All right? That's a different way to think about it. It's a difference between obsession and love. All right? If you have an obsession with somebody, you have a mental problem. You're thinking about them too much. You might end up in a mental hospital. Right? But love is wonderful. Right? It's freedom. And it's enjoyable. So I want you to think about your English as something that's enjoyable, not something that you hate doing. All right, so change from perfection. Don't think about perfection. Think about excellence. All right, so that's the first mental hack. Let's go on to number 2. All right, the second mental hack I want to talk to you about is the word yet. It's a little word, but it's super powerful, all right? I have so many people that I've talked to online or students in my classes, and they get depressed and they say, I can't do it. I'm not good at English. I'll never learn it, okay? So they make these big statements, and it's just so negative, right? But if you put the word yet at the end of those, I can't do it yet. I'm not good at English yet. All right? You see how that changes the whole feeling of it? You are a work in progress. You are getting better every day. All right? And when you do that, all right, when you do feel that and accept that you are getting better, then it's a big improvement on your attitude and how much you want to work and how much effort you're putting in. Okay? So stop saying things without the word yet. When you have something, a criticism of yourself, put the word yet behind it. All right? Right? I don't understand this yet. All right? because you will. All right, we're just about halfway through the video now, and the first secret code is wonderful. All right, so the first secret code is wonderful. If you write that in a message here, either down below or send me a message on Instagram, lots of students know me on Instagram too, then I will know that you've made it this far. And that's farther than most students on this page. All right, halfway is great. It's farther than most people go. All right, let's keep going on the hacks. The third mental hack that I want to talk to you about is effort. Okay, that is the only thing that you can control, your reaction to things and what you do in life. You can't control the weather. You can't control what your friends do or say. You certainly can't control tests. You can't control English. All right. So many students, they ask me, Joe, do you think that the IELTS test is difficult? It all depends on you, right? It's difficult for people who are not good at English and never prepare. Yeah, they fail it. Is it difficult for people who practice English all the time and are well prepared? No, very easy. The only thing that changes is the person, right? So when you're thinking about English, is that a hard word? Is that grammar point hard? Right? The only thing that you can change is your effort. Let me give you a good example. This video, I don't know exactly, but it could end up between 8, 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes long at the end. I'm not sure. But some students will only watch a minute and a half of it. All right? They will stop after 90 seconds. Okay? That's how much effort they put in. If that's how much effort is maximum for them, that's it. But if you could watch the whole 10 minutes, that's more effort. And the only thing that changed was you. Your ability to focus and keep watching and keep learning. The best students I have watch 3 videos a day. That's not just luck, that's their decision. They make a choice. I'm going to watch at least 3 videos. I'm going to study for 30 minutes or 1 hour. That's a choice. That's the only thing you can do in life, is choose what you're going to do. You can't affect anything else. Just change what's on the inside. All right? Let's go on to number 4. All right. Mental hack number 4 is about courage. All right? So many of my students say they're afraid to talk to somebody in English. They're very afraid of making mistakes. The only way that you can change your fear is you got to face it. So this mental hack is do something that scares you every day. All right? If you're scared of texting someone in English, do it. If you're scared of speaking to someone on a live call, do it. Right? Baby steps. Do whatever you can find, the littlest thing that can scare you, and do it. Accomplish it. Try it. Maybe you're going to do it well, maybe you're going to fail, but still doing it is going to break the prison of fear. It's going to break that fear. You won't be afraid of it anymore. So that means tomorrow, when you do another thing that scares you, you'll be a little bit braver. Doing this day after day after day, you will get stronger and stronger and braver. And pretty soon the things that used to terrify you and you could never do them, you will be able to do them. All right, easily. And your English will definitely improve. All right. Now, what is the last mental hack coming up? The last mental hack is appreciate your mistakes. All right. I've made a whole video about this before, but this deserves more mention, so I'm going to do it again here. Let's imagine that you are in a gym, all right? You're working out and you're lifting weights, and the trainer, say he's a handsome guy named Joe, he comes over and he points out that you're lifting the weights a little incorrectly, okay? If you change the way you lift it a little bit, you'll get a better result, you'll build more muscles, and you'll do it faster. All right, what would your reaction be? You'd say, oh man, thanks, Trainer Joe. That's really gonna help me and my weightlifting. Right, I really appreciate it. Okay, you were making a mistake, and Trainer Joe, so this handsome guy with a beard, he pointed out your mistake. All right, and he helped you become better. And now you can use that information to become better every day, stronger. Okay? Now, I do that every day with grammar and vocabulary and English. I point out mistakes to people that they make, and they point out, they show me the crying emoji. They cry that they made a mistake. Would you cry at the gym if Trainer Joe said, hey, lift your weight this way, it's much better? I'm terrible, I'm leaving, and then run out of the gym? Of course you wouldn't. Making mistakes is how we get better, how we learn stuff. You got to appreciate that. When I show you a mistake, zero in on it, focus in on it, find out why it's a mistake, and then that's a new weapon. That's a new weapon for you. You can use that correctly in the future. All right, a new tool. Think of it that way. And you will improve your English much faster. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you've made it this far, then here's the second secret code. It is finished. All right, finished. If you write that in a note to me, then I will know for sure that you've made it this far and you are one of the top, say, 5% of the students on this whole page. Very, very few people actually watch the videos until they're finished. You are incredible. You should be proud of yourself. If you have any questions about what I've said in the video, put it down in the comments and I'll write back to you. And if you want to continue studying right now, okay, I'm going to put some links here to other videos so that you can continue learning and see me in a different shirt, hear my beautiful voice, see how long my beard is, okay? Click on those links and just keep learning, all right? That's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.